Graduates, it is my honor to introduce the esteemed individuals who will perform these vital roles. First, we have Sir Ruben M. Perolino, Tungawa National High School Senior High School Coordinator, who will present the candidates for graduation. Following the presentation, Sir Richie N. Candido, School Principal 4 of Tungawa National High School, will certify the qualifications of our graduates. Finally, we are privileged to have with us Sir Hannibal G. Ricardo, Tungawa District in charge, who will confirm the graduates and officially declare them as members of Tungawa National High School's alumni. Please do join me in welcoming these distinguished school leaders to the stage. Once again, it is my pride and honor to call on Sir Ruben M. Perolino, who has been a guiding force in shaping the success of these students. He shall now present the candidates for graduation.
In my capacity as a grade 12 curriculum head at Tungawa National High School, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation for school year 2024-2025, composed of which General Academic Strand, 14 are males, 16 are females. A total of 30 students. For humanities and social sciences, 6 are males and 16 are females. A total of 22 students. For TBL track, composed of Agri-Fishery Arts strand, specialized in agri-crop production. 7 are males and 7 are females. For alternative learning system, Agri-Fishery Arts specialized in agri-crop production, we have 6 males and 6 females. For Agri-Fishery Arts strand specialized in aquaculture, we have 11 males and 14 females, a total of 25 students. For home economics strand, specialized in breed and pastry production, 9 are males and 22 are females, a total of 31 students. For home economics strand specialized in tailoring, 0 are male and 15 are female, a total of 15 students. For industrial arts strand specialized in automotive servicing, we have 22 are male, 0 female, a total of 25 students. For industrial arts, specialized in shielded metal arc welding, 31 are males and 1 female, a total of 32 students. For information and communication strand, specialized in computer system servicing, 10 are males and 21 are females, a total of 31 students. All in all, we have a total of 234 students. Sir, they are waiting for your certification.
Hey, good morning everyone. To our district in charge, Sir Hannibal Ricardo. Sir, upon the presentation of the School curriculum head that these candidates for graduation have been satisfactorily completed the requirements in the K-12 curriculum as prescribed by the Department of Education. And by the virtue of the authority vested in me as the school principal of this institution, Tungawan National High School, I hereby certify the 234 learners as official candidates for graduation for school year 2024 to 2025. Sir, for your acceptance and confirmation.
Good morning. After the certification of our very own school principal, si Richie Candido, and I have the honor to confirm you 234 class of 2025 as graduates, and congratulations.
And with that, it is official. You are now graduates of the class of 2025. Everyone, let us give our warmest round of applause for the graduates of Tungawan National High School, Batch 2025. You may now have your seats, graduates. And at this point, let us lend our ears to hear a message coming from our district in charge, Sir Hannibal G. Retardo. A round of applause, please.
Again, a pleasant morning to each and everyone. Our very own workaholic and multi-talented school principal, Sir Richie Candido, and Sir Robin Perolino, our grade 12 in charge, handsome and beautiful faculty members of Tungawan National High School, parents, family members, graduates, a pleasant morning to each and everyone. Good morning! Ningaw man, salite graduates na sila. Okay? To the graduates, take a look in your side. Lingi-lingi po mo sa inyong palibot. Just take a look around.